Google is set to unveil its Pixel 9 lineup on August 13th, marking a departure from its usual launch timeline by about 2 months, despite efforts to mitigate leaks. Recent hands-on videos have already surfaced ahead of the official reveal. According to a new report, all models in the Pixel 9 series Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL will feature ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensors. This marks a significant shift from previous Pixel devices, which utilized optical in-display scanners. The ultrasonic sensors, specifically Qualcomm's 3D Sonic Gen 2 QFS408, are identical to those used in Samsung's Galaxy S4 series. Ultrasonic sensors operate without needing to illuminate the part of the display touched by your finger, offering faster and more reliable fingerprint scanning. They also function effectively even if your finger is wet, enhancing usability in various conditions. However, the report indicates that the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will retain a side-mounted capacitive sensor integrated into its power button, diverging from the trend of in-display sensors seen in other models of the lineup. With these advancements in biometric technology, Google's Pixel 9 series aims to deliver enhanced security and user experience, positioning itself competitively in the smartphone market.